What if I told you your new car was never really tested at all? That terrifying thought keeps safety engineers awake at night more than you know. But there is a hidden system catching problems before they ever reach your driveway. Most people trust their vehicles blindly without ever questioning the testing process behind them. That blind trust could cost you everything if a critical system fails unexpectedly. I build embedded software for vehicles at Aptera, and I see the truth daily. The truth is that traditional testing methods are dangerously outdated and full of holes. We created something called Greenlight to fix this broken system once and for all. Greenlight is the secret weapon that ensures every vehicle leaves our facility perfectly safe. But this isn't just about catching problems before they become deadly accidents waiting to happen. This is about completely reimagining how we build trust into every single vehicle we make. My name is Charles Custon, and this is the story behind that invisible guardian. Greenlight sounds simple, but it fundamentally changed how we approach vehicle safety entirely. It is an automation system designed to make our manufacturing lines smarter and faster. Specifically, it validates vehicles on our low-volume line, where every detail truly matters. Think of it as a patient guide, walking a technician through a careful process. It starts the vehicle automatically removing all guesswork from what was once manual. While the vehicle runs, Greenlight silently captures over 1,000 different data signals. Each one of those signals gets compared instantly against known trusted values we established. But numbers alone cannot catch everything a real human eye would notice. That is why Greenlight also walks technicians through over 60 separate manual checks. These are not robotic checkboxes that someone can mindlessly click through without thinking. They are deliberate, human-verified confirmations of how the vehicle actually behaves in testing. We are not just trusting computers to make all the important decisions around here. We are trusting attentive people who know exactly what to look for during inspection. Together, machine precision and human judgment create a level of confidence that is unmatched. Neither approach could achieve this level of reliability if it worked completely alone. Picture external lighting systems getting checked alongside interior lights and control surfaces. Turn signals get tested along with hazard lights and every critical safety system imaginable. Even smaller features like Bluetooth audio connectivity receive the exact same careful attention. Nothing gets waved through simply because it seems unlikely to fail during use. That mindset separates us from manufacturers who cut corners to save time and money. Before Greenlight existed, our testing process looked completely different and honestly exhausting. Technicians would walk in carrying a printed test plan and a lengthy list of goals. They would manually perform each test one at a time with no shortcuts available anywhere. Then they would consult separate procedures, trying to remember which steps applied to what. After that, they would record results by hand, hoping nothing got miswritten or missed entirely. Finally, they would communicate everything to teammates, often through separate conversations later. It worked, but demanded constant mental switching between very different types of tasks. Every switch cost time, focus, and a little bit of consistency across different technicians. Greenlight changed all of that by pulling everything into a unified digital workspace. Data capture and testing procedures now live together, instead of scattered across different formats. There is far less context switching, which means testing finishes noticeably faster than before. People sometimes call this our end-of-line tool, but that undersells its true capabilities. In truth, Greenlight can operate at nearly any station along the entire assembly line. You simply choose your current station, and the software adapts its testing accordingly. Only the tests relevant to what is already installed at that stage even appear. This means Greenlight is not a single checkpoint, but a living snapshot of progress. At any moment, we can see exactly where a vehicle stands in the production process. Even after a vehicle rolls off the line completely, its data never disappears forever. We still have snapshots showing performance at each meaningful stage of the assembly. That kind of visibility did not really exist for us in quite this way before. Technicians can test from multiple angles, not just one narrow, restricted perspective. They check digital systems, analog systems, safety features, and user interface behavior carefully. Each of these checks used to live somewhere different, disconnected from the others completely. Now they are unified, which means insight travels faster from the factory floor upward. Assembly technicians can pass real information directly to engineers without unnecessary delays. From there, engineers can share meaningful updates with management almost immediately after testing. Nothing has to wait for someone to compile scattered notes into one single report. After every completed test run, that data automatically uploads to a shared server instantly. From there, our entire team can review it whenever they actually need to access it. We built a dashboard that shows our whole fleet in one connected, comprehensive view. Every test ever run on every vehicle becomes visible inside that single unified dashboard. This means we can compare individual runs directly against each other side by side. We can check how today's results compare against yesterday's or last month's easily. It is not just about what happened today, but what has happened across our entire history. That historical view matters more than people often expect when building physical products. Patterns emerge over time that a single test could never reveal by itself. One of the biggest problems Greenlight actually solves is something called repeatability in testing. Repeatability means getting the same reliable result no matter who performs the test. If you looked around our facility, you would not find rows of robotic arms anywhere. Unlike many other manufacturers, we rely on real engineers and real technicians instead. That choice comes with challenges, because human processes can naturally vary slightly each time. Greenlight helps close that gap, creating consistency without removing the human element entirely. We still get the judgment and adaptability that only skilled people can truly offer. But now that judgment operates inside a structured, repeatable, and trustworthy framework instead. That combination of human insight plus structured consistency is genuinely rare in manufacturing today. Building this tool was not just a technical challenge, it was a philosophical one too. We wanted technicians to feel empowered, not micromanaged by whatever system we built. Greenlight was designed to put real power directly into technicians' hands every single day. It is meant to support their expertise, not replace it with rigid, impersonal automation. That distinction shaped almost every decision made while building this software from scratch. We did not want a tool that felt cold, robotic, or disconnected from real work. We wanted something technicians would actually want to use every single day without complaint. And based on what I have seen, that goal seems to be working out quite well. I remember walking into the building one afternoon and hearing something completely unexpected. Greenlight sounds were playing across the floor, part of the normal testing process. Hearing that honestly put a genuine smile on my face without me expecting it at all. It is one thing to build software, it is another thing entirely to see it used. Watching something you helped create actually make a difference feels genuinely rewarding. It is not about recognition, it is about knowing the work solved a real problem. Every signal captured and every manual test completed represents a small piece of trust. Trust that a customer will get into a vehicle that has been properly checked. Trust that safety features will work exactly the way they are supposed to work. Trust that small details like audio features were never simply overlooked or ignored. That trust does not happen automatically, it is built through processes like the one described. Manufacturing is not glamorous. Most of the time it is careful, repetitive, detailed work. But that careful repetition is exactly what keeps people safe on actual roads. Greenlight exists because someone recognized that manual processes alone were not going to scale. As production grows, consistency becomes harder to maintain without the right supporting tools. Rather than adding more people to compensate, we built smarter systems instead. systems that support technicians rather than simply adding more manual workload onto them. That is a meaningful difference, and it is one worth highlighting clearly and directly. Automation done thoughtfully does not have to mean replacing people with machines entirely. Sometimes it means giving people better tools to do their jobs correctly every time. Greenlight captures data, but more importantly, it captures accountability across every single stage. Nothing slips through unnoticed, because everything gets recorded, tracked, and made visible. That visibility protects customers, but it also protects the people building these vehicles. When something needs improvement, the data shows exactly where to focus attention. There is no guessing, no relying purely on memory or scattered handwritten notes anywhere. Everything lives in one place, accessible to anyone who genuinely needs to see it. This kind of transparency builds confidence not just in the product, but in the process. And confidence in the process ultimately translates into confidence in the finished vehicle. Customers may never see Greenlight directly, but they benefit from it constantly every day. Every mile driven safely traces back in some way to processes like this one. That is the quiet, invisible work happening behind every vehicle that reaches a driveway. It is easy to focus only on the finished product and forget the entire process. But the process is where trust actually gets built, tested, and finally earned. Greenlight represents hours of careful thinking about how testing should genuinely work. It represents a belief that technicians deserve tools built around their actual needs. It also represents a belief that safety should not depend purely on individual memory. Structure and consistency matter, especially when the outcome affects someone's physical safety. That is not an exaggeration, it is simply the reality of building vehicles responsibly. Every signal, every manual check, and every dashboard comparison serves that same purpose. The purpose is simple: make sure nothing important ever slips through unnoticed. Whether it is external lighting or an internal safety feature, everything gets equal attention. Nothing is treated as too small to matter within this comprehensive testing process. That mindset shapes not just the software but the culture around how we build. Technicians are not just following steps, they are actively verifying real, meaningful outcomes each time. Engineers are not just writing code, they are building tools that genuinely support real work. Management is not just reviewing reports, they are seeing accurate, real-time reflections of quality. Everyone connects through the same shared source of truth, rather than fragmented updates. That alignment reduces confusion and helps teams move faster without sacrificing careful accuracy. Speed and safety often feel like opposing goals, but Greenlight helps balance both. Faster testing does not mean rushed testing, it means better organized, more efficient testing. That distinction matters enormously when building something people will trust with their lives. Greenlight did not remove complexity from vehicle testing, it simply organized that complexity better. Complex problems do not always need complex solutions, sometimes they need clearer structure instead. That is ultimately what this tool provides across every station on our assembly line. Clarity, consistency, and a genuine sense of shared purpose across every single team. From a single engineer's perspective, that kind of impact feels deeply meaningful to witness. It is not about receiving credit, it is about solving a real, tangible daily problem. Watching technicians use something you built without complaint tells you it is working. Hearing those familiar testing sounds across the floor tells you it is actually helping. That feeling does not fade quickly, it stays with you throughout the entire workday. It is a quiet kind of satisfaction that comes from solving problems that matter. Not every project in engineering gets that kind of immediate, visible feedback loop. Greenlight offered that feedback, and it reshaped how our whole team approaches testing. Looking forward, tools like this will likely keep evolving alongside growing production needs. As more vehicles move through the line, consistency becomes even more critical over time. Greenlight was built with that growth in mind, not just current daily needs. It is flexible enough to adapt as stations, tests, and requirements naturally continue changing. That adaptability matters, because manufacturing environments rarely stay exactly the same for long. A tool that only works today is not nearly as valuable as one built to last. Greenlight was designed with that longer view firmly in mind from the very beginning. It is not just solving today's testing challenges, it is preparing for tomorrow's as well. That forward thinking is part of what makes this project genuinely worth discussing openly. It is not just software, it is a reflection of how seriously we take safety. It is a reflection of respect for the technicians doing this careful work daily. And it is a reflection of commitment to customers who trust us with their safety. Every 1,000 signals captured and every 60 manual checks completed tells that story. A story about care, precision, and genuine responsibility built directly into our process. That story does not end when a vehicle leaves the line, it simply continues forward. Snapshots remain, dashboards remain, and accountability remains long after production wraps up. That persistence is part of what makes this system genuinely valuable over time. It is not a one-time check, it is an ongoing record of consistent performance. And that record matters both for improving future vehicles and reassuring current customers. Building trust takes time, but losing it can happen almost instantly, without warning. Systems like Greenlight exist specifically to protect against that kind of sudden loss. By catching issues early, consistently, and transparently, problems rarely reach the customer at all. That is the real quiet purpose behind all this careful engineering and testing work. It is not flashy, it is not dramatic, but it is genuinely important work nonetheless. And for someone who helped build it, that quiet importance feels deeply satisfying. Hearing those testing sounds echo across the floor reminds me why this matters. It is proof that careful engineering done well actually changes daily outcomes for people. That is a rare and genuinely rewarding thing to witness as an engineer directly. Greenlight started as an idea meant to solve a very specific daily problem. It became something larger, something that shaped how our entire team works together. That growth was not planned perfectly from the start, it happened through real iteration. Technicians gave feedback, engineers adjusted, and the tool slowly became genuinely useful daily. That kind of collaborative process often produces better results than rigid top-down planning. Listening to the people actually using a tool tends to reveal what truly matters. Greenlight's usefulness today reflects that ongoing conversation between builders and daily users. It is a reminder that good tools rarely emerge fully formed on the first attempt. They are shaped, refined, and improved through real use and honest, continuous feedback. That process continues even now as Greenlight keeps adapting to new production needs. Nothing about this feels finished, and honestly, that is exactly how it should feel. Manufacturing safety and trust are ongoing responsibilities, not problems solved once and forgotten. Greenlight reflects that mindset in how it is built, used, and continuously improved. It is a living part of our process, not a static tool sitting unused. That is ultimately what makes it meaningful both technically and in daily practical terms. Every vehicle that passes through this process carries that careful attention forward with it. Customers may never know the specific details, but they experience the results directly. A vehicle that works exactly as expected, safely and reliably, tells its own story. That story starts long before delivery, in careful testing stations along our line. It starts with signals captured, checks completed, and data reviewed by real people. It starts with tools like Greenlight quietly supporting the humans who build vehicles. And it ends with a customer trusting a vehicle they will rely on daily. That trust built carefully through process and people is ultimately what this work protects.